Indicators is a substance which indicates the point of equivalence in the titrations by undergoing a change in its color. They are weak acids or weak bases. The theory of indicators: the ionized and unionized form of the indicators have different colors. If 90% or more of the particular form, ionized or unionized, is present, then its color can be distinctly seen. In general, for an indicator which is weak acid, H in equilibrium, H plus in minus, the ratio of ionized to unionized form can be determined from pH is equal to pKa plus log in minus upon H in. So for the table color change, pH is equal to pKa plus minus 1. This roughly gives the range of the indicators. Range for some popular indicators are: table 1 is to indicators pH range: acid medium, basic medium, methyl orange 3.1 to 4.4, pink yellow, acidic medium pink, then basic medium yellow, methyl red, pH range 4.2 to 6.3, acid medium red and basic medium yellow, litmus 5.5 to 7.5, acid medium red and basic medium blue, phenol red, pH range 6.8 to 8.4, acid medium yellow, basic medium red, phenolphthalein 8.3 to 10, pH range, acid medium colorless, basic medium pink, thymol blue, pH range 1.2 to 2.8, acid medium red, basic medium yellow. Equivalence point: the point at which exactly equivalent amounts of acid and base have been mixed. Acid base titrations: for choosing a suitable indicator, titration curves are of great help. In a titration curve, change in pH is plotted against the volume of alkali to a given acid. Four cases arise: a strong acid versus a strong base. The curve is almost vertical over the pH range 3 to 10. A weak acid versus a strong base. The curve is almost vertical over the pH range 5 to 10. So phenolphthalein is suitable. Weak acid versus weak base. No sharp change in the pH. No suitable indicator. Solubility product KSP for the sparingly soluble salt. For example, Ag2C2O4. An equilibrium which exists is Ag2C2O4 equilibrium 2Ag plus equilibrium C2O4 2 minus aqueous. Then KSP is equal to Ag plus power 2 Cr2O4 to power minus 2 minus. Common ion effects: separations of dissociations by adding an ion common with uh, dissociations products, that is A plus or C2O4 2 minus. In the above example, simultaneous solubility: AgCl equilibrium Ag plus Cl minus KSP 1, Ag Br equilibrium Ag plus Br minus KSP 2. Precipitations: whenever the product of concentrations rise to appropriate power, the solubility product precipitations occurs. Effect of the complex formations on solubility: AgClS equilibrium Ag plus equilibrium aqueous plus Cl minus aqueous KSP Ag plus 2 NH3 equilibrium Ag NH3 2 plus K form. Effect of hydrolysis on the solubility: MAS equilibrium M plus A minus equilibrium KSP A minus aqueous plus H2O equilibrium HA plus OH minus KW upon K. S is equal to under root KSP in bracket 1 plus H plus K.